What is up, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to have you here. If you are new, my name is Brittany and I am a solo female traveler. I post every week on traveling, inspiration, tips and tricks to help you guys out, and just overall adventure. So I would encourage you to subscribe so you never miss a video. This week I was frustrated because I couldn't figure out where I wanted to go, what I wanted to do, and I got off of work on a Friday afternoon, had no idea I was going on this trip, and then a couple hours later, a lot of hours later, I am in the middle of nowhere down a dark trail with no cell service and honestly really creeped out. So this is that video. This trip was completely not planned. I've got where I'm gonna sleep right there. We'll see if it ends up being really good or really bad, but either way, I'm super excited. Okay, this looks hella creepy, and I think this is the right spot from what I've seen of YouTube videos. I brought a Wi-Fi jetpack to give me signal while I'm back here since my phone probably won't have signal, and neither of them do. So I sent my location to my parents, and I just want everyone to know that I'm a hardcore adventurer, okay? I'm gonna update you guys along the way. Let's go. Park only in designated area. Okay. This is gonna look way less creepy in the morning, but right now, whoo, my parents would not be happy. So, this is clearly like safe, I guess. But it's uber creepy. Alright, so there's somebody camping. I just passed a whole family. I'm gonna keep going a little bit farther, and if I don't find anything, there was a spot back there right by the family that was kind of off to the side. I'll just end up parking there. I do want to get a really good spot, like right next to the falls. There's a drop off right here, and the falls are right there. And this is the road. Some photos and video here at this fall. So incredibly. I'm thinking I'm gonna drive to Toccoa Falls because that is like a really big, actually cascading, dropping waterfall. So I just got to Toccoa Falls. This is just the entryway. Alright, so I got to the tallest point that I can possibly get on. Just got to Tallulah Gorge. There's multiple waterfall overlooks. I'm just gonna pick the longest one that has the best views, and we're gonna go on that one. And we made it it to our first overlook. Next part is really trippy. It's a suspension bridge, and when anybody walks across it, or when you walk across it, the whole thing goes like this. So it's really, for some people, not fun, but it's been really funny to watch people. Let's go over it. So I just got down to the base of Hurricane Falls. It was a lot of steps to get here, but the water is absolutely so green-blue in person. It's so beautiful. There's actually a spot where you can get down closer to the water, but you have to have a permit to go down to the gorge floor. I have never regretted not wearing my Fitbit more in my life than right now. I don't even know how many flights of stairs these are. I think they said over 1,000. So update, 8 more flights to go. I'm gonna sit here and drink some water, and then I'm gonna keep going because I'm dying. All right, so I just got to the walking part that's right beneath the bridge. I'm thinking about going to Inspiration Point, but it is the highest point in the entire gorge. And that means there's gonna be a lot of freaking climbing to get there. So I don't know if your girl is cut out for that. We'll see though, we'll see. Pretty sure my map said do not take these stairs down. But then I also can't remember if they said that I am supposed to take the stairs down. Okay. All right, now I'm coming up on another lookout, overlook number 5. Oh man, more freaking steps. Thought I was at the top already. There's another top. Look at how amazing this is. Alright, so I wasn't gonna go to Inspiration Point because it was specifically marked as strenuous and I was not trying to be about that life. But I just feel like I can't not go see it. The hike's not gonna be complete unless I go up there. It is so freaking steep. You gain an elevation of 212 feet. Inspiration Lookout, because holy freaking crap. Film shot left. I have one. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video as much as I enjoyed going and making it. I got sweaty for you guys. I got mosquito bitten. If you guys liked it or were entertained in any way, just hit the like button for me, subscribe, leave a comment with feedback. I respond to every single comment I get. I love my community. I recently did a giveaway for my followers, about 6 of them, which from, I don't know what that was, which for my page is a lot because I'm a very small page. But you guys can find me on Instagram at bonvoyagebrittany, and bonvoyagebrittany.com is my blog where I post all about travel and a little bit more detail, so you guys can get that as well. I'm looking forward to next week's video. I have no idea where I'm gonna go because apparently being spontaneous is my thing. So cheers to new adventures. I'll see you guys in the next one.